In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for small business ideas fast and easy. Google Trends is a fantastic tool to help you discover the potential demand for various business concepts and insight into consumer interests. Let's dive in and learn how you can harness the power of Google Trends for your small business. First, you'll want to start by opening a search engine and typing Google Trends. You'll likely see it pop up as the first result. Click on that link to head straight to the Google Trends homepage. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the heart of some insightful data. Click on the Explore button, which is prominently displayed, and this is where you can start diving into trends that might be valuable for your business. At this point, enter broad business or industry-related keywords. Think of areas you're passionate about or wish to explore further. Ideas like coffee shop, home bakery, digital marketing, fitness studio, or online tutoring are great starting points. Once you've entered the keyword, hit Enter. You'll now be looking at a trend graph that visually represents the search interest for the term over time. Next, you have the option to customize the data by setting your preferred location and time range. You'll find these options just above the graph. For location, choose your target region or country, which is crucial because business trends can vary significantly from one place to another. For time range, you can select the past 12 months for a snapshot of recent interest, or look at the past 5 years to identify longer-term patterns. This flexibility helps you understand how stable or intermittent the interest might be in your chosen field. The map you see is an illustration of interest by region, a handy feature that shows where demand is highest. This information is vital as it can help guide your decisions on where to establish your business or which markets to focus on. If you're planning on a physical location, for instance, you'd want to establish yourself in a high-demand area. Scroll down and you'll discover additional insights under Related Topics and Related Queries. This section reveals emerging interests, often labeled as rising or breakout. These keywords reflect what people are starting to get excited about. For example, virtual fitness classes or plant-based bakery might show up here. These insights can spark innovative ideas or provide you with an edge in aligning your offerings with future trends. Finally, use the Compare feature by clicking the plus Compare button to assess multiple business ideas against each other. By entering several keywords, you can visually stack trends to see which business concept garners higher search interest or is on the rise. And there you have it. Easy ways to use Google Trends to explore small business ideas. By analyzing the data provided, you can make informed decisions that align with consumer interests, ultimately setting you on a path toward business success. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content like this one.